there is obviously the amount of deaths and cases of coronavirus, which is a little bit easier to measure. But then there's the psychological and additional physical costs of people not going to see their doctor for chemotherapy. I'm just, these are anecdotes here, but there's things like that that are happening. Have you seen anything from your side? What are the effects of the lockdown in terms of health and mental health?
Well, I mean, we definitely see, as far as our metrics, we see a increase in a lot of people asking about coronavirus. There's the kind of people that, like they cough and they're like, is this coronavirus? But there's a lot of people that think they have coronavirus. There's a lot of misunderstanding on the symptoms and whatnot. People are like, well, what does asymptomatic mean? Some people don't even know what that means. They call in asking those kinds of things. Like, I think I have coronavirus. But the reality is that what we can do from our perspective is check if someone has the symptoms, and we call that a suspected case. Then we refer them to be tested. That's increased. It still increases to this day. It's been increasing week by week. As far as the psychological aspect, wow. I mean, the psychological service that we offer is our fastest growing service. And it's just, people are calling in with all types of issues right now. They called in before, but right now this is putting a lot of psychological strain on everyone. Most people are being negatively affected by this because from various reasons, not only coronavirus, the actual, physical aspect of it, but losing your job or, staying home all day. Some people, get uncomfortable with that, or, just there's so many psychological side effects, and we're working on expanding that as fast as possible too. So it's extremely beneficial to be able to talk to someone. We always put it the same level as a clinical service. Mental health is equally as important. You can be completely physically healthy, but everyone has emotional problems at some point.
Totally.
Doesn't matter how successful or great, everyone goes through. We're human beings.